right, you guys, we are about to paint this rusted son of a switch, okay? Yes, sir. We're gonna paint it, man. Y'all tell us what color we should paint it. What color should we paint it? First and foremost, we're gonna get this thing sanded down, man. Watch how we sand this whole truck down. We're gonna paint it black, and we're gonna get this goddamn thing on the road looking better, man. Hit the like button. Look at it.
Give y'all a little quick look, a little quick.
Listen.
So this is the first step in the process right here. As you can see, he's sanding it down. Get that thing ready, man. Hitting them rust spots real good. Coming soon, y'all. Drop a color. Right, y'all, we working through it, man. We pretty much got the whole hood sanded down almost, man. Whole hood sanded down. Progress update, man. We got it there. Mondo.